PGIM India FlexiCap Fund, which was earlier the Multi-Cap Fund, has a good allocation towards mid-caps and small caps along with large caps. The PGIM India FlexiCap Fund usually has large caps in the range of 45% to 60%, while the remaining portion is allocated to mid and small caps. The portfolio consists of 40 to 50 stocks, where at the top end of the portfolio, we are looking for stable businesses. In the middle end of the portfolio, we are looking for growth businesses. And at the bottom end of the portfolio, we are looking for turnarounds. In all this process, the focus always continues to remain on good quality businesses, which generate strong cash flows and have clean balance sheets. The fund has a decent exposure to IT, industrials, and material, which include chemicals and cement. We have increased our exposure to financials, but after the COVID second wave, we have turned cautious and we are in the wait and watch mode. We have negligible exposure to consumer staples as that segment is expensive. We continue to build portfolios with high return on equity for investors. The PGIM India FlexiCap has a low overlap with the benchmark, and the idea behind constructing the portfolio is to invest into the top 40 to 50 businesses as highlighted by our process. The low overlap could be a good complement to the overall portfolio of a client. The PGIM India FlexiCap has a good allocation towards mid caps and small caps. As the market continues to broaden in participation, the mid and small cap segment of the portfolio has the potential to generate good alpha. The fund has consistently had low leverage, low beta, and a high ROE over the last 3 years.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.